This is a circular pattern, and you will know two different methods for editing this pattern after watching this Fusion 360 for Beginners tutorial. You need to master several workflows for patterns. I made this pattern in another Fusion tutorial. Check that out if you need to know how to create this pattern or simply want to follow along. You have a timeline in your bottom left corner. Right-click the circular pattern feature on the timeline and select Edit Circular Pattern. Now follow along as I walk you through this menu. Object type is the feature, our cut operation, from when we created this pattern. You selected the object and the axis in the timeline earlier, so no need to do anything. You can change distribution. Let's say that you want 4 holes but only on a limited part of your product. Then go for 180 degrees, or why not 90 degrees. You can change the quantity of holes in the circular pattern. Hit OK when you're happy with your pattern. Then hit subscribe and get notifications of useful content for free. That's how easy it is to change a pattern in Fusion 360. Good luck with your modeling.